Hi, I'm Savanti. I've recently won a bid to open an inclusive community centre here in the former Turkish Baths building in the heart of Lewes. I've had a long-term vision to open this centre which will encompass yoga, holistic wellness and the arts. I'm setting the centre up as a community enterprise model and we'll be offering a large, light and spacious studio, a community art room, 2 treatment therapy rooms. Also we'll have a cafe, a gallery, a flotation tank and a sauna. This venture is for as many people as possible. We're going to offer yoga, meditation, movement and dance, theatre, art and music. So for people who are already into those services, but also to make sure that we reach out across a diverse range of people in our community so that everyone feels that they are welcome to try something new. I currently run my yoga and massage courses, classes, retreats and professional trainings at my established Brighton-based Unity studio. I work with a variety of excellent professional therapists and teachers so that we can offer very specific events for people with all diverse backgrounds, abilities and ages, including pregnancy, fertility, children, working with teens, working with the elderly, working with families and single parents. And wherever possible, we'll offer some concessions and also some free events. Turkish Baths is in a fantastic location. It's between the train station and the high streets. It's a really beautiful, iconic building steeped in history. It does need a lot of work, so we've got to put in plumbing, electrics, heating and some flooring. We also wish to buy specialist equipment, do whatever we can on an environmental level and furnish it in the beautiful Unity style. We have the vision, the experience and the passion to transform this much-loved building into a real asset for Lewes. Last year there was a large petition where people passionately spoke up about wanting to retain the Turkish Baths as a community venture, and the council unanimously supported that, so I really feel like there's a need here. I feel very passionate about creating an independent centre in the face of dramatic cuts across community services. My dad has probably been one of the biggest inspirations. So he had a stroke about 20 years ago, and particularly in the early days when I gave him some of the healing and the therapies that I do, he really benefited and progressed well. My mother has also been a massive inspiration to me. My family and I gave her various therapies when she was facing terminal cancer. So I just feel incredibly fortunate really that my skills and my passions have really helped me offer my love and support when they've mattered most. I really want the Unity Centre to be a warm, welcoming, relaxing space where people can just simply hang out and connect with each other. A friendly, down-to-earth hub which really embraces the true heart of yoga. We're inviting you to raise awareness, support and the essential funds that we need to transform this beautiful, well-loved building into a centre that we can really all enjoy together.